Alright, this is a new project we just made. It's made out of 6 different pieces, 6 different vehicles. And the back is, wheels are one, the front wheels are another, tail fins another, body is another, and electronics another. And not to mention other things too. Go ahead, Stevie, give it a little whip around. They'll show you the inside. Yeah. Come over here, I'll show you the inside of it. It just pops open. All it is steering, servo, receiver, and motor controller inside, and the batteries underneath. Okay, go ahead, drive it. Right, could you move out of the way so you can, Stevie can go that way? And you hit the gas, it does a little burnout, Stevie.
What do you mean?
When you go forward. It's pretty quick, works nice. It's hard to tell we actually made it out of different parts because it looks like...
it looks so natural.
Yeah.
It looks like it was made.
The back fender was one fender, we split it in half and made 2 out of it.
It looks so natural.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard to believe we made it.